Let's talk about the issue of immigration. A federal judge has now temporarily blocked a Trump administration move to deport a group of undocumented migrants to Libya using a military plane. What more are we learning about this?
Right, a federal judge intervening and saying that this would-be flight that two officials tell NBC News is slated to happen by week's end to go to Libya via a military Department of Defense aircraft is not to take off. Notably, the attorneys for some of these detainees say that their clients, that these detainees are from places like Laos and the Philippines, and that sending them to Libya would prevent them from having 15 days to go before an immigration court, an immigration judge, to raise fear claims. The State Department, under this very Trump administration, warns Americans not to travel to Libya because of terrorism and threats of kidnapping. And there are serious questions as to the legality of sending individuals who are nationals from some of these other countries to places that had not previously been previously notified that they could be removed to. So the federal court intervened here, and at least for now is stepping in the way of this would-be potential flight. The president was asked about this yesterday at the Oval Office. He referred reporters to the Department of Homeland Security, who are not providing any further details to us at this time either, though.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.